guys, and welcome to my Thanksgiving edition 2021. Okay guys, so today's episode that I'm going to show you is going to be this holiday punch. I've made punches before. Punches. I already know we gotta get to this commercial break. The coldest water bottle. Alright, you guys, so I have an apple here, and navel orange, and some cranberries, and this is just for mainly decoration as well as flavor. And I also have some cinnamon sticks. This drink is so simple and easy, it's ridiculous. All you're gonna be doing is pouring. Once you cut your fruits up, you're basically done, technically. So I'm just going to slice up my oranges. You can use lemons. You can use, I wouldn't suggest using lime, maybe grapefruit, but don't use anything too tart, too crazy, too tart. I love the navel oranges in this case because it pairs well with the cinnamon. And so that's why I'm using the cinnamon sticks. Also, as the drink sits, it's going to get even more flavorful with the apple and the orange and the cinnamon sticks. I have a whole batch in the refrigerator right now, just chilling, waiting for dinner time so I could get a cup. And so after I slice everything up like this, I'm going to set it aside. And then, I'm going to start building the drink. Now, don't judge my bowl. This is just my example of showing you what you should do with what you have in your house. I don't have a punch bowl, but if you have the clear or the white punch bowl, this is what you'll be doing. Yeah, you could put this in a picture. I just feel like when you make a punch and you're at, your family and everything is around, you just want to just have it in a bowl and it's cute. However, we are in a panoramic. So maybe I didn't think this all the way through, but it's all good. Y'all get the point. Y'all can see the drink and it's all good. So I'm going to add my sparkling Welch's grape. I choose the white grape. And this right here, you don't have to use this flavor. You could pick the flavor you prefer. And my thing is, if you're an adult, you're over 21, and you want to sprinkle in a little razzle-dazzle of your favorite alcohol, feel free. Right where I put that sparkling wine, you just use half the bottle versus the full like I just did. And then the other half will be your favorite rum or your favorite vodka or, something clear. And I don't suggest using something dark. I would suggest using something clear. But this was just as good. So now I'm just putting the fruits, the cranberries, and just showing you how yours should look when you use your punch bowl. If you choose to use a pitcher, that's fine as well. And I just mix it up and that's it. First of all, this drink, without the razzle-dazzle, it tastes so good. I don't know where I've been with this cranberry pineapple drink and mixed with mango juice. It's like really, really good. And no, you know what lifts this up is that, that cheap stuff that your grandmother used to give you at the dining table when you was younger, the sparkling wine. And you can also use club soda, but club soda doesn't really bring flavor, so that's what made me pick that. Plus I'm trying to keep things on a lower end as far as like budget and people that's on a budget. So but this was really, really good. Don't leave anything out. Everything together just marry very, very well. And so you just put them in some glasses and you pour it up and enjoy, And I will definitely be making this drink again. Like I said, it's cheap to make and fast. And all you're doing is pouring. There's no measuring. There's no anything. There's, it's half of each of the juices and then the entire bottle of the sparkling wine. And you're good to go. And plus, this is going to be really, really pretty, especially if you're entertaining for the holiday season. I know we're in a panoramic, y'all, but, we could just still make the best of everything. Don't let anything get you guys down. So on top of this, if it wasn't extra enough, I did add some dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit pieces that I found in the freezer section in Kroger. It's also in Whole Foods. And what happens is once the liquid touch the dragon fruit, it gives that trickle effect. You're going to see right here on the side. Look at that. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Please make this drink. It's so good. If you do, take pictures, tag me, let me know what you think. Get your family's reactions. That would be cute too. Okay, send me your family reactions and stuff. And especially if you add alcohol. If y'all added alcohol, yeah, I really want to see the reactions, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll have another video coming, I think today or tomorrow. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.